Hey guys, check out this telescope. This thing is amazing. This thing is crispy and it's clean, I tell you. So I recently got this sent as a gift to try out because I love the galaxy, the stars, and the moon. But I'm a beginner, right? So this is exactly what I needed, and it had everything included. And when I say it has everything included, let me start off with this scope, right? This isn't just no ordinary scope. This is gonna have that red light laser beam scope. So you can just go ahead, point it up to the sky, or point it to the object that you wanna see. So this is gonna give you that general idea of where you're looking at when you look inside the telescope, right? And then along with this telescope and the scope, it comes with two different optical zooms, right? You're gonna have that 10 millimeter and the 20 millimeter. So let me tell you, you're gonna use the 20 millimeter to look at objects that are more in close range. So let me slap this 20 millimeter on my telescope, right? And I'm gonna check out this butterfly that's at the end of my yard. So after I install the eyepiece that I wanna use, I'm able to manually focus by turning this knob here. And this is great. This is a great way for me to learn how to use this focus and, the aperture and all of the great features with this telescope. So once I got down, being able to zoom in and focus in on this butterfly here at the end of my yard, I was like, okay, let's go ahead and look at the moon. So I put on that 3X eyepiece, and this is gonna be the adapter that's gonna, multiply that either 10 millimeter or that 20 millimeter by 3. And this is ultra zoomed in. This is what you're gonna use to look into the moon and see those craters. This is amazing. And I love that it comes also with this phone holder that you can put on the end of your eyepiece. So once you get your phone arranged and focused in, you're gonna be able to see everything right through your phone when you're moving this telescope around. So this is gonna be a perfect telescope for you to learn how to use and, just get comfortable using a telescope. And all in all, if you already have a telescope and you already know how to use a telescope, this right here is gonna have a lot of great features for you to add to your collection. So setup on this was super easy. This tripod's like a regular tripod that you're just gonna slap right up on, right? And then the telescope itself, this is nice. I like it. And all in all, there's just a little screw hole that you're gonna screw onto this tripod and you're gonna be off to the races. So this is professional. This is a professional tripod that has a little, it has a little circle pad on it that's gonna hold your pieces. And this is gonna slap right inside here, right? Just like that. 22 seconds later and I got this telescope ready to look up at the stars tonight. This is amazing. And I just love the way that these new telescopes work. There's an 80 millimeter aperture and a 600 millimeter focal length that allows the reflection telescope to gather more light. So all in all, this is amazing. I'm impressed. I'm super glad they sent this to me to try out because I'm definitely going to be looking up at the stars more often. So if you're looking for a great telescope, this is going to be the route to go. This right here is fantastic.